Configuring Semrush Social Media Toolkit is a straightforward process that helps you track and analyze your social media performance. To begin, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Social Media Toolkit section. First, you need to connect your social media profiles to Semrush. Click on the Add Profile button and select the social media platform you want to connect, such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You will be redirected to the social media platform's login page, where you need to authorize Semrush to access your account. Once you have connected your social media profiles, you can start tracking your performance. The Social Media Toolkit provides an overview of your social media metrics, including engagement, reach, and clicks. You can also track your competitors' social media performance and compare it to yours. To set up social media tracking, click on the Setup Tracking button and select the social media profiles you want to track. You can also set up custom metrics and alerts to notify you when your social media performance changes. Another important feature of the Social Media Toolkit is social media posting. You can schedule and publish posts across multiple social media platforms from within Semrush. To do this, click on the Posting button and select the social media profiles you want to post to. You can then compose your post, add images or videos, and schedule it for publication. Best practices for configuring Semrush Social Media Toolkit include tracking your competitors, setting up custom metrics and alerts, and scheduling posts in advance. By following these steps and best practices, you can use the Social Media Toolkit to improve your social media performance and increase your online presence. The Social Media Toolkit also provides analytics and reporting features that help you understand your social media performance and make data-driven decisions. You can use the analytics and reporting features to track your social media metrics, identify areas for improvement, and adjust your social media strategy accordingly. By configuring Semrush Social Media Toolkit and following best practices, you can streamline your social media management, improve your performance, and achieve your marketing goals.